on the condition of women in West Bengal since the coming of the TMC government is that we find that there has been an exponential increase in the number of crimes against women. And it is our shameful experience that in 2013, West Bengal topped the list in the country in the matter of crimes against women. Now, it is not as if crimes against women had not been there earlier, nor is it the case that, as in other states also, the graph was not sometimes increasing. But what worries us, what concerns us is, firstly, the atrocious nature, the brutal nature of the crimes. Gang rapes, rape with murder, rapes of children, and rapes of women with disabilities has increased greatly. Second thing that I would say is that even earlier there had been crimes, but there had been an administration, there had been the police, and there had been the public voice. But now we find that the administration and the police are actually trying not only to discourage women from reporting the cases, but they're also trying to delay the investigation, delay the judicial process, so that the justice for such crimes is not available to women. I could mention a number of cases where 2 or 3 years have gone by, but as yet there is no sign that the women who have been attacked are able to get justice. In the Park Street case, as you know, the woman, Suzette Jordan, died without getting justice. The third thing that I would say is that not only is there a degree of reluctance in the police and the administration to identify the criminals, but the highest persons in power, including the Chief Minister, are making comments which are likely to encourage criminals to do such things, because they know that even if they do it, that they will get off scot-free. An MP like Tapas Pal says things like public that the women in the opposition, women belonging to opposition families can be, he will send his boys to rape them. So if this is the kind of things, statements that we get from an MP, you can well imagine that there is a reign of hooliganism, there is a reign of antisocials all over the state, encouraged by the government and the administration, so that this is increasing. The last thing that I would like to say is that in spite of all this, there is a rising protest among the people, and we find that people are coming out when such an incident takes place. Earlier on there's a sense of shame, but now they're coming out and saying that we want the criminals arrested. And there are huge protests against this kind of approach of the administration, which is something that encourages us and which strengthens the women's movement.